Welcome to the Law Office of Brian Fagan podcast, where we empower Texas families through knowledge and compassion. Today, we are discussing cheap divorce in Texas, how to keep divorce costs low without costly mistakes. Can you get a cheap divorce in Texas without creating expensive problems later? The short answer is yes. But to do it safely, we have to separate true cost efficiency from risky shortcuts that end up backfiring. In the legal system, a cheap divorce is simply an uncontested divorce with minimal conflict. The trade-off is straightforward. You and your spouse must compromise on personal wins to gain speed and keep your money. True affordability means being highly efficient and cooperative, not careless with the legal process itself. Even the most amicable cooperative divorce involves basic mandatory legal expenses just to get your case in the door. This chart shows baseline filing fees across major Texas counties. Simply filing the initial petition ranges between $250 and $400. On top of that, you must account for service fees, usually another $50 to $150 required to legally notify your spouse. Once those non-negotiable hard costs are paid, your final price tag scales entirely based on the complexity of your assets and the level of conflict between you and your spouse. Because these baseline costs are unavoidable, a completely free divorce does not exist without a court-approved waiver. Realistic financial planning has to start with these numbers. Your biggest variable expense is attorney billable hours. The good news is that you and your spouse directly control that dial through preparation and cooperation. Looking at this effort versus impact quadrant, we see organizing financial documents sitting clearly in the low-effort, high-impact zone. Over here, reaching a 100% amicable agreement on custody and treating your ex as a negotiating partner requires high effort, but yields massive financial impact. Gathering every bank statement and property deed before you ever sit down with a lawyer saves hours of paid legal time. Setting aside personal grievances to negotiate calmly with an ex-spouse is incredibly difficult. It requires strict emotional discipline. But treating all divorce communication like a business deal directly translates that emotional restraint into thousands of dollars kept in your own pocket. The financial reality is stark. Uncontested divorces cost significantly less than contested divorces. Choosing to litigate over even a single disagreement, like who keeps a specific piece of furniture, forces the entire case into the contested pathway. That single disagreement triggers a costly cascade of legal requirements, formal discovery requests, depositions, and multiple mandatory court hearings. This comparison table outlines exactly what that looks like. An uncontested case might cost a $2,500 flat fee. A contested case quickly escalates into a $15,000 plus hourly billing scenario. Often, the legal fees required to fight over a specific asset end up being much higher than the actual cash value of the asset itself. Insisting on a courtroom battle transforms a predictable flat fee into a potentially devastating, open-ended financial drain. You might be tempted by the marketing around the absolute cheapest route, the quick $300 DIY internet pro se divorce forms. The specific risk here is trying to divide complex assets, like a 401k or a pension. Splitting these accounts without incurring severe taxes requires a highly precise legal mechanism called a Qualified Domestic Relations Order, or QDRO. A family court judge might glance at and approve a vaguely written DIY agreement, but when you send that same document to the financial institution holding the retirement funds, they will completely reject it. Without that proper order, transferring those funds usually results in massive, unexpected IRS tax penalties hitting your account. To fix a mistake of that scale, you have to hire a lawyer to reopen the finalized case, which costs exponentially more than initial representation would have. The upfront savings of a pure DIY divorce are entirely erased by the massive long-term risk of catastrophic financial errors. If you are facing genuine financial hardship, there are legally sound ways to reduce your costs without taking those dangerous DIY risks. Texas Rule 145 allows you to file a Statement of Inability to Afford Payment of Court Costs. A successful Rule 145 filing completely eliminates the $250 to $400 filing and service fees we discussed earlier. The trade-off is that the state requires full sworn financial disclosure and proof of government assistance or indigence to grant the waiver. For those who don't qualify for waivers but still want to save money, limited scope representation, like paying a flat fee just to have an attorney review your drafted documents, ensures legal protection. If you're searching for a cheap divorce in Texas and want to understand your options without risking costly mistakes, visit brianfagan.com or schedule a confidential consultation with our team. Hiring an attorney for an agreed-upon uncontested divorce provides an insurance policy for your life after the marriage ends. That insurance buys you a legally enforceable decree and the flawless division of retirement assets, keeping the IRS out of your pocket. It also ensures that your custody and parenting plans are airtight, specific, and fully enforceable by law enforcement if necessary. While this requires a moderate upfront flat fee, as seen on the attorney fees document here, it prevents the financial ruin caused by botched DIY paperwork. True affordability comes from paying a transparent, predictable price to secure your peace of mind and financial future. Let's look at a simple roadmap to help you choose the safest, most cost-effective strategy based on your specific situation. On this flowchart, starting at the top, if you are completely indigent, have zero real estate, no retirement accounts, and no children, the DIY pro se divorce with a fee waiver is a viable, low-risk path. However, if property, retirement accounts, or minor children are involved, a pure DIY divorce is a severe risk. For that scenario, the smartest move is a 100% agreement utilizing a flat-fee, uncontested attorney to ensure flawless drafting. Please subscribe to the podcast and share this episode with someone who is navigating a divorce. You can learn more by visiting our website or calling 281-810-9760. Thank you for listening to the Law Office of Brian Fagan podcast, where families find freedom and peace of mind through education. For more information or to schedule your free consultation, visit our website or call 281-810-9760 today.